Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan here, and here basically we are talking about few stories. That is of currency. Currency is basically one of the story basically you can say, and currency is also one of the part of attraction basically. That for example that Renault Duster car basically I want to purchase. So that is one attraction basically, right? For but only attraction will not work basically. You need currency also, and without currency you can't then buy a single pen also basically. So currencies basically are connected up to this level basically. So one of the person basically told that to what level currencies basically are connected here. He told that basically you purchase the tomato, you purchase that potato, you are just simply purchasing the potato and tomato basically, but that basically is generating the planets basically from your body basically. That is generating the energies basically and body basically. That is generating the energies basically body from your generating the energies from the body basically. So like this basically also things basically are there. So basically one person basically told that uh, one potato basically can generate basically 3 lakh planets here basically. But in 3 lakh basically, do you know basically how many bad stories basically are there? How many big good stories basically are there? Then one of the universe person told that basically that is basically actually are balancing basically. Few people says that basically in Earth planet only basically good story basically can't be there. There basically bad story also we should be there basically. That's basically the mentality of basically the energy creation group basically. How they basically because few people says that basically if the people person is basically very bad basically and he basically is not having the good condition, he basically is crying for job, he's basically crying, he's basically from backside basically blood is coming like this basically. They say that basically energy basically gets generated like this basically. That's basically thinking basically what we can do basically. That type of basically writers are also basically there. That type of writer also basically are there basically. That type of basically writer also basically are there. That type of basically writer basically are there. So you can't do anything basically for this type of thing basically. Like this basically things basically are there. So that is basically different topic basically. That type of basically topics basically are also basically there in the world basically. So this all thing basically one of the person basically asked, do you have basically set of stories basically in the your software basically here? Then he told that yes basically we have basically each and every person basically how many time basically he has cried that up to that level basically story basically we have done. Then one of the person basically asked the question basically, have you taken basically action against this basically? The person basically which basically cried and this that basically happened. For example, that person basically in Vidya Kunj basically have you taken any action? Assume that the school basically is Vidya Kunj. Assume that child is also myself basically. Assume just basically in real basically it's not like that. Then basically have you taken any action basically? Then one of the person basically told that you have recorded that person's basically from back basically was getting blood, he got HIV/AIDS girl, then basically Nasbandi happened, then he was killed. Assume that was me basically, but I am still basically exist. Uh, uh, have you basically done any action basically? Then he told that basically in Mumbai basically how many blood basically was basically uh, came out from the backside basically. Have you basically ever taken basically the action? Then he told that basically that actually we don't have the any permission. We just keeping the data of the people here basically. We are just servant basically. Like this basically was the reply of the one of the number one software company. We are just servant basically. मतलब इन बॉलीवुड लैंग्वेज बेसिकली इट इज कॉल्ड हम तो भाई नौकर है. We are just servant basically. We can't basically do anything here basically. The person basically is getting from back from blood basically. That basically what we can do. We can just generate the energy basically. Nothing else basically. We don't have any permission basically. Then one person asked that then why you are keeping this entire software company here basically. Just close and sit at home basically. Close all software company and sit at home basically. What basically else basically you can do? If you can't do anything, then basically close all the companies basically and sit at home. And basically sit. Then one of the person basically he was basically from Gaza basically. He basically told that basically yeah, basically in Gaza also like this story basically has lots of generated. Just see basically what happened to Gaza. Then that the person basically was from software industry, number one software company person. He told that basically in India basically this will not happen. Yeah, basically this is India, very powerful country basically. They literally basically ignores lots of things, and then basically this type of basically person basically also might have ended there. They basically finished the Nishan also basically. This is India basically. And one of the Maharashtrian person told that basically we finished the Nishan also basically. Nishan means proof also basically they finish it. Then basically who will do this type of activity basically like Gaza in India? Nobody can do this. Gaza equal to India. Nobody can do this. Gaza equal to India. Sorry, India equal to Gaza. Nobody basically in the India basically can dare basically to do this basically. Even basically we'll die basically. We don't have any basically. We basically want everything peace in India. Everything basically should happen peacefully basically. That's why basically he was finished peacefully basically in Dubai. He was thrown from the ship basically. That's actually not my story basically. That is somebody else's story. But he was Malayali basically. That person basically was Malayali basically. He was basically doing Hanumanji fast. He basically done Hanumanji fast for 28 years basically. Then also basically he was killed with the help of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, and Bangalore and Madhya Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh means Ayodhya Nagari basically, where basically the Ram exists. That people also basically helped that people basically to kill that particular person. Like this basically he got AIDS, he got Nasbandi, his back basically got blood. Like this basically that Uttar Pradesh also basically person was basically just seeing everything. And he also basically was giving idea basically. Actually his idea was there that basically we will give him some HIV/AIDS girl basically for the marriage. And that idea basically was him basically. And he and the one of the Bihari person basically has given the idea that uski hum we will do his marriage to the one HIV/AIDS girl. And after that basically we will finish the proof that basically who do basically that everybody knows. So that is basically different story. But so here basically we are discussing about the currencies basically, but this is real basically. This whole story basically has generated in the potato and tomato energy.